How to do a live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn if you can make a live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. Unfortunately, first of all, depending on your region, you must have at least 100 or 1,000 followers to go live. But you can request an exception by contacting TikTok. Okay, so what you must do is go into your TikTok, go into your profile, then go and tap in the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen, go into settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you find the option report a problem, and now scroll down until you find the option live. You can go into any of these issues. By now I'm going to tap on how to start a live. This is gonna give me an article in order to show me the steps, but this is gonna be asking, is your problem solved? So by now I'm going to answer no. And need more help? Obviously I'm going to continue with this button, and in this new page you must to tell them what is going on, requesting that you must and want to make some lives on TikTok, but you don't have 1,000 followers yet. You can add a video or some screenshots in order to tell them that, and obviously wait for it. If you're at least 16 years old but you don't have 1,000 followers, you can send the support ticket to TikTok to request the live feature. But this won't guarantee you'll be able to go live. It will just increase your chances. Okay, remember that. And that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.